I don't like it. I love it. So we're starting our day with a healthy breakfast. And I hope that you are too. Morning. I'm so glad that you tuned in just to check to see what's growing in the garden. And we have bitter melons that we just harvested. And now it's time to cook it up. A little bit of shade. It's starting to heat up already. I went out early this morning, 5 o'clock this morning, and did an early morning run. And now I'm ready for breakfast. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for your support and your time. We are cooking up bitter melons this morning. There's going to be a 3-part series. All the cricket, grasshoppers, and the birds. Anyways, we're going to be cooking those up. We are going to head inside after harvesting all those bitter melons. The first video that we will be cooking, we're going to make stir-fried bitter melons, and then we're going to add it to an omelet. And I'm so excited to taste the bitter melon that I grew. Garden to table, that's my favorite thing to do. If you are just tuning in and if you enjoyed this video, if you have any comments, if you would like to see me grow something or to see me cook something, please comment down below. I love to hear from you, and I love to share any tips or ideas that I can with you. And I love growing, and this is what this channel is about: growing and sharing all the creativity that God has provided. Know that bitter melon is a tropical vegetable that grows in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. It's known for its bitter flavor, and it has a variety of health benefits. Get your favorite spices. You can add your own ingredient. First time growing and my first time cooking, and I'm just going to cook it the way that I like my food to be cooked. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to whip it up. It's so nice to see you. Let's start cooking. Come on, let's go. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get seeds from your bitter melon. Watch very closely, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to save seeds from your bitter melon. Bitter melon seed saving. Yes, save those seeds. Sort them, wash them, dry them until they dry. I'm going to store them in a cool, dry spot. And then next spring, all I have to do is soak them overnight and plant them in my garden. And I like to add a little bit of Chef's Wonder vegan seasoning. This is not a sponsored video. You can use any vegan seasoning. Chicken broth or beef broth, you can use that to substitute. That's what I like too. Just a pinch of that. You will start to see your bitter melon soften up a little bit. Just sauteing it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil and soy sauce to it, and then turmeric and cumin. That's my preference. Again, you can add any seasoning that you enjoys. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. And then we are going to set it aside. And then we're going to go ahead and cook up our egg. of my favorite ways to drink coffee is iced. Yeah, so this is for you. Enjoy. But as you know, I'm normally a tea drinker. Because it is so hot outside, I decided to have some cold coffee. If you are still watching, thank you so much. Taste this. Bitter melon wrapped right inside. Let's taste. I don't like it. I love it. Comment down below. You know, if you try this at home, it is so good. And I hope you're enjoying your plate too. I love you. Enjoy your day. Get your journaling in. Get your reading in. Be sure to get lots of gardening planning in. Tabitha, thank you for the journal, the 2-year journal. Looks like I got a little food on my face. And of course, enjoy the fruits of your labor. And don't forget to smell your flowers, taste them, eat them. Yes, did you know zinnias are edible? Oh, to all my new subscribers. I did this a little bit during COVID, and I just wanted to show people how easy it is to grow your own food, and I'm just having so much fun. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe button, and follow along. Mama D, you're amazing. If you haven't had a chance, go on and check out her channel. She started her first garden for the very first time. She's given me shout outs, and I've had a crazy schedule, but Mama D, I got you, girl. So go ahead and check out Mama D's channel. Come on, let's go. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I'll see you in my next bitter melon cooking tutorial video. See you soon. Enjoy. Growing your own bitter melons and urban gardening is so easy.